Hi, this is Tracy with the Barbecue Depot, and we're going to go over the features of the Delta Heat DHBQ 32R. This grill is one of their colors, which they offer white or black at a little bit of a premium from the standard stainless. If you were to get the basic G version, which does not have the rotisserie, you cannot get the color. So you must get the rotisserie option for the color. It has the black heat indicator, the blue lights above the knob, spring-loaded assist on the hood, 2 interior halogen lights. The warming rack on this grill is a 1-position warming rack. And with the rotisserie model, you do get an external plug-in rotisserie motor as well. This grill will have 3 U burners. The heat gets dispersed by Delta Heat's briquette trays lock-in. It has a pretty thick stainless rod cooking grid. On these grills, you can swap the U burner for the sear burner at any time if you do want to get that intense heat. The ignition is a 9-volt battery ignition, but it uses the micro switches on the valves, so you're able to just turn the knob and the grill lights up. This grill in white looks really amazing with the Challenger cabinet that also comes in white. If you have any questions on this grill, need parts, or want any assistance with an outdoor kitchen, contact us at the Barbecue Depot.